This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Volvo headlights. Start by parking on level ground facing a blank wall about 25 feet away and ensure the vehicle has normal load and tire pressure. Mark the center of each headlight beam on the wall with tape. Measure vertical and horizontal offsets to the vehicle's centerline and bumper. Use the adjustment screws to align beams to the factory pattern while rechecking measurements often. Begin by preparing your Volvo and workspace. Position the car on level ground perpendicular to a plain wall roughly 20 to 25 feet away and confirm tire pressure and a typical fuel load. Remove heavy cargo, but keep one person inside or simulate weight to match normal driving conditions. Switch on low beams and mark the beam centers on the wall with masking tape. Measure distances and record offsets before touching any adjustments. Adjust each headlight one at a time for precision and safety. Start with low beams illuminated and cover the opposite headlight. Use the horizontal adjuster to center the beam on the tape mark, then use the vertical adjuster to set the beam height per your measurements. Repeat on the other side, and then inspect both beams together. Finally, take a short test drive to verify visibility and ensure no glare is aimed at oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.